Hey you guys, as you can see from the title, this is me installing a wig for the first time, which was an absolute fail. A fail. An L, baby, an L. I tried to do the whole frontal, real look, but clearly I haven't seen enough Instagram videos. So I ended up just flipping it over a bit, having some leave out, and just having a slick back look, as you can see in the thumbnail. So I ended up tweaking it enough for it to look good and for me to be able to rock the wig. But yeah, y'all enjoy this because it's hilarious. It's hilarious.